do. Sorry. Now, hopefully we're making this look very easy, because it is. The whole system is designed so that you can just put things together at home really easily. So when you place an order with us for your FlexiPlanter unit, you can look forward to a package like this coming through the post. This is for a single unit. Obviously for multiples they're all packaged differently in boxes. On here you've got a QR code which will give you instructions on how to install, and you can see all of our helpful videos that we put up there. But also it will give you the information about where the plastic was collected for this individual unit, so that you can see the carbon footprint and know what places you're getting these bits of plastic from. So opening up the packaging, inside we have a whole selection of anything you might need, all the bits and pieces to fit together the different units. So that's these are all irrigation bits, elbows, clips, dead ends, T-junctions and crossers, and then the hooks that you need for the unit as well. And then inside we have the irrigation pipes and the unit itself. So as you've seen in the other videos, this is fully made of recycled plastic. We've got the planting pockets at the front, which neatly fit a P9 size or a small plant pot size. At the back, this weatherproofing shield that will protect the wall and stop any damp going through. Flipping it back round again. Hooks at the top, the loops at the top that go onto the hooks, and these Velcro attachments that allow you to attach the irrigation pipe along this way. And then Velcro at the bottom that allows you to attach to other units seamlessly, and you can create any shape you need with all of the different varieties of sizes and shapes that we have available. On here you also have the instructions, and it's simply as easy as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
It allows you to create unique designs to suit any site, regardless of the size, shape or scale of your project, allowing you to realise your green vision no matter how humble or ambitious. Where can you install FlexiPlanter living walls? Well, the answer is anywhere. This user-friendly system is suitable for exterior, curved, angled and suspended structures, basically anything. If you can attach a hook to it, you can cover it and you can plant it with FlexiPlanter.
Yes. Thank you.
This user-friendly modular system is suitable for exterior, curved, angled and even suspended structures, basically anything. If you can attach a hook to it, you can cover it and plant it using FlexiPlanter.